Today, I want to talk about something that affects us all. Dopamine and distractions. Back in 2017, before my first 10-day retreat in a Nepalese monastery with no phones, internet, or external contact, I was overwhelmed by distractions from technology and social media. I spent countless hours on social media, checking messages and emails, which made me procrastinate and feel like I never had time for what truly mattered, like reading, meditating, being in nature, or spending time with friends and family. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in our brain's reward system, making us feel pleasure when we achieve goals. While it drives motivation and reinforces positive behaviors, too much dopamine activity can lead to addiction and focusing on short-term pleasures at the expense of long-term goals. Understanding this helped me realize the need for a change. My first step to managing dopamine was creating a cool-down time. So, no social media or message 1 hour before bed and 1 hour after waking up. I also set my phone to not open social media applications, email, and message from 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. This gradually extended to using social media and streaming services less frequently. My morning routine includes meditate, journaling, reading, studying language, and exercising. Everything before checking social media. Also, planning my days and week have an important role on my productivity. I use Notion to organize all my projects and have my week plan on Notion calendar, both personal and professional. But the challenges were real. The fear of missing out was strong, and I constantly felt the need to answer messages immediately or watch the latest shows. However, each time I felt overwhelmed and unable to stick to my routine, I realized it was due to distractions. Meditation and journaling are key. Meditation really helps me to be comfortable with boredom and appreciate moments without constantly looking at my phone. Recognizing this pattern helped me recommit to my dopamine detox, cutting down distractions, and sticking to my routine. Since incorporating this change into my life, I've noticed a significant improvement in my focus, productivity, and overall well-being. I now find time to grow as a person and in my career. For instance, I used to take months to read a single book, but now I read 3 to 4 books a month. Before, I didn't have time for anything. Now I can read, exercise, meditate, and work on my professional projects. I sleep better and feel like I'm progressing every day. Start small by identifying where you spend most of your time. Ask yourself if these activities help you achieve your objectives. In 2017, my first 10-day retreat at a Nepalese monastery taught me the importance of disconnecting. Without external distractions, I found inner peace and clarity. Thank you for joining me today. I hope my story inspires you to start your journey towards a more productive and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and leave a comment below with your thoughts and experience. Let's embark on this journey together.